So just a little look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame here. As we can see, just moving in line with Bitcoin, as is the rest of the market. We all know that when Bitcoin dumps, all of our altcoins become highly correlated to its price action, and you can see no exception to that here. Dogecoin here, basically a 1-for-1 Bitcoin's price action here. As you can see, Bitcoin was consolidating for a little while last week. We got the breakout here, and then opening up this week with a bit of a correction to the downside here, sweeping out a bunch of liquidity in this area, as you can see. And now looking like it either wants to break back above this fair value gap it's created here and recover and continue up, or reject this area and continue down. Obviously, if that's the case, Dogecoin will have some more downside. You can see we've come down here for Dogecoin to around, I think this is around the 50% of this local leg. Actually a little bit more than 50%. It might be 50% of this overall area. We're in that region where we've come down into an area of discount for Dogecoin, obviously consolidating. We've swept out a bunch of liquidity here, potentially got some nice, we could get a nice trade back to the upside for Dogecoin actually if we do get a good fair value gap back up. I'll have to wait and see if we get something like this. Put a little alert on there so I can see. Overall right now, Dogecoin basically just rejecting from the tariff range high. You can see we had the Trump pump, we come down into the tariff dump, consolidating for a while. We come into this closer area of consolidation, we break up here, we grab liquidity above the range, and then Bitcoin obviously dumps us back down. You can see Dogecoin was pushing up in line with the altcoin basket, which made a new all-time high. Dogecoin obviously with the good positive sentiment there really wanted to be pushing up, but Bitcoin dragging the party down after we came down, looking like we were back testing perfectly into our 618 Fibonacci here for a potential continuation. But as you can see, Bitcoin having other ideas and dumping the market down yesterday, and now we're consolidating after that dump. As I said, we'll either pump back up and rip through this over the next few days, or we might consolidate and then slowly trickle to the downside. Either way, it's going to be whatever Bitcoin does, Dogecoin's going to follow. And right now, Dogecoin, let's take a look at I think overall it's looking really good, isn't it? The macro is still looking fantastic for Dogecoin. I really don't think we do have anything to worry about here. In my opinion, this is going to be heading up towards the all-time high over the next 6 months, pretty much guaranteed, provided we don't have any catastrophic failure for Bitcoin or for the altcoin space, or just Dogecoin specifically. Obviously, altcoins have been struggling this cycle, but I do think Dogecoin has been one of the standouts that's been looking a lot stronger than most. You can see we've got a very, very clear and obvious bullish trend here. We could easily come back down towards this 20, 19, 18, maybe even 17 cent area here, bounce and then continue. Overall, Dogecoin looking really strong, and I think really this is only one good altcoin pump away from really ripping through these resistances. There's not many left towards that all-time high. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.